Aldi at the Ploughing 2016, we've had thousands and thousands of blue Stetsons everywhere, country and western music, food demos, we've had the baking competitions, meeting the suppliers, loads of food and laughter, and we've had thousands of people coming in and out those doors each and every day.
I think Aldi are wonderful to support Irish farmers. I love tasting new products here.
It's reassurance of where the product is coming from. Good to see the producer.
We love the gluten-free produce, yeah, very good.
I think this is an amazing tent. It's a huge kind of statement about where Aldi see themselves in the Irish food industry. Really interested in their food recycling support, and I've just been in that tent, and that's really interesting as well. Free duck as well. What more do you want?
Everybody's in great form, the Aldi tent is flying, so the place is rocking here.
This is our 5th year now with Aldi. Everyone is talking about it. It's the VIP of the National Ploughing Championships.
I'm delighted to be here in the Aldi tent doing a demonstration to show all our customers what product we have at the moment in Aldi.
From Waterford, you are the National Brown Bread Baking Champion for 2016. Congratulations.